Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing crispy coated onion rings. These are just like the ones you get at a restaurant when you order a steak. The onion rings are coated with a flaky Japanese style breadcrumb called Panco Bread Crumbs. This results in them being not at all greasy. They have a fabulous crunch on the outside and a tender and juicy bite on the inside. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. And you can use ordinary breadcrumbs if you do not have panko breadcrumbs. Method. Cut the onions into slices about 1 centimeter wide. Separate the onion slices into rings and set aside. Add the powdered ingredients to a large mixing bowl. That is the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, chili powder, baking powder, roasted cumin seed powder, Italian herbs, black pepper powder, garlic powder and salt. Note, increase the amount of black pepper powder or chili powder to make it more spicy according to your taste. Now stir the powdered ingredients to form a mixture. Add the sparkling water a little at a time to the mixture and whisk together to form a thick, smooth batter. Dip an onion ring into the prepared batter and coat with panko breadcrumbs. As mentioned previously, panko breadcrumbs is a flaky Japanese style breadcrumb that is lighter and crispier. It absorbs less oil and stays crunchy for longer. Continue to dip the rest of the onion rings in the prepared batter and coat it with the panko breadcrumbs. Now heat oil in a heavy based pan. Deep fry an onion ring for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is crisp and golden brown. Then remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Repeat and deep fry the rest of the onion rings in small batches. Again, remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Finally, serve hot with ketchup and mayonnaise or any other accompaniment of your choice. So there you have it, some lovely crispy coated onion rings. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.